So what's up, Instagram? Remy here. Fix for the X6, if you please. But anyways, like I said before, I was gonna do a video maybe of the walk around of the car, and just to tell you guys everything step by step, kind of what I did so far, and maybe I'll talk about a little bit about what I will do with it. I think there's some stuff that I really want to do, and there's stuff that I'm really hesitant about, but I'll get into that a little bit. But here it is. Turn it around. There it is. But yeah, I'll start with the first thing I did. The first thing right here, Canards. Hold on, let me turn this baby around if I can. Oh, wait, maybe not. I'll just turn it around like this. But those carbon fiber Canards right there, just a little flare. They weren't too expensive, so just thought I'd copy the RS6 a little bit. It's on the opposite side too, and I actually got these ones down here. You'll see they're actually not real, so I'm a little ashamed of that. I probably should have gotten some real ones, but they look good. They kind of go along with the other carbon fiber. But here I did Quattro next. Nice little badge. It's already a little scuffed up, just from driving around and shit. But it's not bad. Let's see, what else did I do next? All right, yeah, so then I got these on next. I got them from a place on Amazon, I believe. Actually, not ECS Tuning, but they're a little fatter than the ones from ECS Tuning, I guess, and the ones that are original. So actually, the guy told me it was a little tough to put those on. I didn't want to do it just because I figured I might mess up some shit, or I don't know. Excuse my language. But that's that, and then I went on to the spoiler, also carbon fiber, just give it a little extra flare. That was kind of a bitch to get on, just with a tool and stuff. I mean, you can see some of the lines I still got here. I'm trying to work at those, get those out of there. Yeah, and then I went on to paint the rear emblem and the front emblem black. Or at least the flag part. I missed some spots. I might have to touch it up with a little paintbrush in here and on the side and stuff. But it's all right, not too bad. And then lastly were the rims. They were a fucking pain in the ass. Excuse my language again. But they were a pain in the ass to get together, just because I had to get spacers for the front because they didn't clear the calipers. So in here, you can, I don't know if you can see it, but it's straight. When we first got them on, we put it down, we tried to move the car, and it didn't move. So it was rubbing up against the caliper. So I got 5mm spacer just to fit in there. It just took forever because I tried to do it on Sunday. Nothing was open on Sunday. But it is what it is. But yeah, man, that's everything so far. I definitely want to maybe do a lowering kit. That's kind of one of the things I'm skeptical about. Just because New Jersey's got a shit ton of potholes in it, and I just really don't want to F up the bottom of my car or whatever, F up a piece of trim or something like that. So that's But I think I definitely want to do an AWE exhaust. And I think that would look pretty good. Give it definitely some more rumble. I also thought about just doing a custom exhaust or something, and maybe cut the rear two muffler boxes out, or the mid muffler box, and give it something else. But yeah, that's it so far. I mean, I was looking at the RS6 turbos. The RS6 spec turbos, and then get a tune from AWE, I think is what, or APR. I think it's APR that does the tune for them. And then also, if possible, a transmission tune. But it's got a GIAC tune in it now. I believe it's over 500 horsepower. And it's just a beast, man. It's been a lot of fun messing with. I'm gonna keep on messing with it still. Maybe do some interior things. I've got the sport seats, so I don't really want to change the seats or anything like that. But the stitching is amazing. I love the stitching. But yeah, man, that's it so far. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll keep everybody informed. Oh, and I want to say too, not all my posts will be about this car either. there'll probably be, assortment of Audi items, or, I will maybe post about, if I see a sweet M3 or M4, M5, or, an AMG S6, or, S63S or whatever, a C63S, E63S, all that stuff, Lambos, whatever. But, for now it's what I got and what I want to show you guys, and keep you all informed, and what I'm doing with the car, and just, life shit. If you guys want to talk, or whatever, comment, do whatever. But yeah, thanks. Tune in. I'll be posting another video at some point here. Thanks for tuning in.